Good evening. This year, I have a song that I'm going to share with you tonight. It's an instrumental piece that I wrote about a year and a half ago, and finally this winter I recorded it. It has a calming feeling, at least to me, so I called it Peace. We are all looking for peace from all the troubles of the world that will last forever. Jesus said in John 14:27, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let them be afraid."